Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly instructions for the Glide Folding Single Doll Stroller. Before we get started, make sure you look at all the pieces included. If you're missing anything or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. Step 1, you need part A, the stroller frame. So for this step, what we're going to be doing is unfolding or opening the stroller. I'm going to grab by the handle here, kind of tip it up, and we're going to grab towards the front metal piece here and unfold the stroller. Now when you unfold the stroller, you should find these plastic caps here that need to go over the metal post. This is what's going to hold the stroller open. So we're going to put this plastic cap and push it down over the metal posts. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, making sure you get that plastic cap over the metal post. Now you're also going to notice this metal loop here, which is going to go around this plastic piece here. This serves as a safety feature in case for any reason these plastic caps come off this metal post. It should catch it and keep the stroller from folding on itself as a safety feature. So again, we're just going to push down on this and place that plastic cap over the metal post on both sides. For step 2, you need 4 of part C, which are the wheels, 2 of part D, which are the axles. You will need 4 of part E, which are the caps, and 4 of part F, which are the retainers. Next, what we're going to be doing is putting the wheels onto the stroller. So when you look at the wheels, one side will be more flush, one side will have this point. This is the side that the axle needs to go through and come out of the more flush side. So we're going to put the axle through the wheel here so that we see it come through on the other side. Next, what we need to do is we need to put one of these retainer clips to hold the wheel onto this axle. Now the retainer clip has a larger end and a smaller end. The larger end needs to go in towards the wheel first. So we're going to push this on until it clips into place. Now the wheel should not be able to come off at that point. What we're going to do is we're going to string this axle through these 2 metal holes on both sides of this metal frame. So we're going to start on this end here, work our way through to the other side until it comes out on this end. We're going to repeat the same thing by putting the wheel on, again the more pointed end going in towards the inside of the stroller. Then once it pops through on this end, we're going to put the retainer clip on. Again, the larger end going in towards the stroller. And clip it into place. Once that's done, we're going to put these caps on, which will cover these clips and the end of the wheel. So we're just going to put this on and push it in as far as it can go, until it's all the way in. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on these other wheels. Putting the axle through the pointed end, putting the retainer clip on, large end going in towards the stroller. We're going to thread it through the metal frame where those holes are located. Putting on the last wheel here, putting again the retainer clip, large end going in towards the center, and finishing off by putting these caps into place. For step 3, you need part B, the tray. So next what we're going to be doing is putting the tray onto the stroller. You're going to see these clips that are attached to the tray that need to go on each of these metal bars on both sides of the stroller. Now you're going to put them below this plastic piece here. We're going to clip this on, and on the other side you're going to kind of stretch it a little bit and clip it onto the other side as well. And you can kind of adjust it as you would like. And then lastly, you can pull up this back of this chair rest here to put it to a position that you'd like for the doll. And the last thing you can do is adjust the canopy to your liking. Now to fold the stroller back down, we're going to do everything in reverse. We're going to push the canopy back, and we need to remove this tray. So what we're going to do is we're going to push on the plastic clip on one side here so that it unhooks from the metal frame. Then we can just push from the other side to detach the tray. We also need to flatten this chair piece, so we're going to push it all the way down so it's flat. Next, you're going to pull up on these plastic clips here to detach them from the metal post. Now, if you remember this safety feature, these metal loops are going to catch onto these plastic pieces to prevent the stroller from completely folding down. So we're going to pull up on these on both sides, so that way the stroller is allowed to lay more flat into the compact position. And that concludes the assembly for the Glide Folding Single Doll Stroller. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, to please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching, and enjoy.